Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bapak Ibu, perkenalkan saya Agista Akbari Wulandari dari SMK BPI Bandung. Pada kesempatan kali ini saya akan mempraktekkan uji kinerja atau uji kompetensi PPG Angkatan 1 2021 di Universitas Siliwangi. Berikut adalah formulir pendaftaran saya yang telah saya tanda tangani. Sekian dan terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, student.
Good afternoon, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. Alright, student. Before we begin our activity today, first of all, I would like to ask the captain of this class, Giska, for leading us to pray before studying. Giska,
Yeah, Miss.
could you please lead us to pray right now?
Alright, everyone. Before we begin our lesson, let's pray together. Pray, begin. Finish. Greet to our teacher. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, student. Now I would like to check something. Can you hear my voice clearly?
Of course, Miss.
And how about my face? Could you see my face clearly?
Yes, yes.
Okay, if there's no problem, so now I will give you around 5 minutes to fill in the student attendance list on the link I will share on the chat room. I will give you 5 minutes. Ibu akan beri kalian waktu 5 menit untuk mengisi absen dulu ya, silahkan. Okay, let me check for the attendance today. Okay, student, thanks for the response. Okay, right, student. As we know that today we are going to discuss a different topic from our previous meeting. But before we go on with our new topic today, I would like to review for a moment about the last material that we have discussed together. Okay, do you still remember about what we have learned in our last meeting?
Narrative text.
Okay, what is it? About narrative text. Okay, good. In our last meeting, we have learned about narrative text. Okay, what is narrative text?
The narrative text is the imagination story of a fantasy story from someone who teach just to teach or entertain the reader.
Okay, whose answer? Desi. Okay, Desi, thank you for the answer. Narrative text. Desi said that narrative text is a text that tells about the imaginative story, and then it has proposed to apa tadi Des? It has proposed to entertain and teach the reader. Okay. Then what is the characteristic of the grammar used in narrative text?
Use the past grammar.
Okay, masih Desi?
Simple past.
Use the simple past. Yang lain bagaimana? Setuju? Okay, yeah. Alright, student. Talking about simple past. today we are still going about the simple past, but not in narrative text. We are going to discuss about the past in other texts. Okay. Okay. Now I will share you something. Okay. Right, children. Welcome to the English with me, Mrs. Agis. It is the class when your English learning class will be fun. Yeah, actually it is my biggest hope, of course. First of all, I would like to remind you about our rules and regulations that you have to obey when you are in my class. For the first one, okay, as you know that you need to shine on time. And then for the second, I would like to ask you to find some quiet place to study. Then for the last one, okay, I would like to ask you to raise your hand and then say your name if you want to answer or give some question to me. Okay, it is for our rules and regulation. Okay, do you get it? Do you understand?
I get it.
Yeah, okay. Okay, if you get it about the rules and regulation now, okay, I would like to give you three tests, and then it is for the link. Okay, you should answer the free test on the link of Mentimeter. I will share the link on the chat room right now. Okay, then let's start from the question number one. Have you ever heard about recontext before? Okay, we have the answers here. Someone answer forget, and then the other answer not yet. And then of course, nah, ada yang masih ingat berarti ya. And then for the second question, what is the context do you think? Wah, tapi ini udah bagus-bagus jawabannya ya. The text with retells event or experience in the past. Alright, then thanks for the answer. Okay, after answering the pretest, now we are going to continue to discuss our material today. Okay, do you know what are we going to discuss right now? Okay, about recontext. Okay, it is for our best competence of our material today. Jadi untuk kompetensi dasar kita pada hari ini yaitu ini ya. Okay, untuk menganalisis fungsi sosial struktur teks. Maybe you can read by yourself about our best competence. And then for learning objective, for the first one, we will be asked to identify the social function of recontext, and then for the second of our learning objective today, you will be asked to determine the generic structure of recontext. Of course, for the last one, after arranging the recontext, we will be asked to demonstrate the recontext. Okay, so then it is for our learning objectives today. Okay, do you have any question? If there's no question, now let's go to next slide. Okay. Now, watching activity. Now we are going to watch the videos.
Borobudur and its surrounding is like one spirit that brings serenity, a conquered heaven.
Right, children, after watching the video, now let's discuss what is the video talking about. About the journey of Borobudur. Okay, then anything else?
A trip to Borobudur Temple, Miss.
A trip to Borobudur Temple. Okay, then have you ever gone to Borobudur Temple? like someone on the video. Who have ever gone to Borobudur Temple? Please raise your hand. Okay, Giska. Okay, Giska, when did you go to Borobudur Temple?
Waktu SMP, Miss.
The SMP. Okay, when you are in junior high school, right? And then what did you do there, Giska?
I'm just walking around in Borobudur Temple.
Okay, good. Right, children, as you know that today we are going to discuss about recount text. Okay. Now I have a text about a trip to Borobudur Temple. Okay. Have you seen the text I share right now?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, because it is the reading activity, so I would like to ask someone to read the first paragraph. Who want to read the first paragraph?
Went to Borobudur Temple. My family and I went there early morning. We went to Borobudur Temple by private car. I had prepared everything before we went to Jogja.
Okay, thank you, Filka. Okay, right, children. After reading the text about the trip to Borobudur Temple, now I would like to ask you, I would like to divide you into two groups for having discussion about the text of a trip to Borobudur Temple. Okay, children, please enter to your own room. Okay, group 1, do you have any question about something that you have to discuss with your friend? No? Desi, is that clear for you to discuss? I will go to another group if there's no question. Okay, group 2, Giska and Filka.
Yeah, Miss.
Okay, do you have any question about the instruction?
Yeah. Miss, I want to ask
Okay, what do you want to ask, Giska?
the question number 4.
Yes.
Okay, the question is, what was the writer feeling about her journey?
Okay, and then?
And in the text, it was a very interesting vacation. Can I change the word very interesting to fascinating?
Yes, of course. I think it. Yes, you can change it into fascinating. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Is there any question? Filka, how about you? Do you have any question?
Not Miss.
No. Right, children. Now let's begin to discuss about the result of our discussion. Okay, maybe I would like to ask the representative of the group to present the result of the discussion.
Number 1, who has traveled to Jogja, the writer and their family. And when was it happen? Last week in the morning. Number 2, what did the writer do before going to Borobudur Temple? Prepared everything.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Filka. Alright, children, now let's go to the next slide. Alright, children, as you know that today we are going to discuss about recount text. Okay, what is recount text? Okay, yes? What is recount text?
The true story of the experience of someone in the past.
Recount text is about someone's experience in the past. Okay, now what is the social function?
Retells experience.
Tell the experience
Right.
of the writer.
The writer.
Okay, let's see the social function of recount text. Okay, di sini ada self experience in the past. So the social function of Recontext is to retell the writer's experience happened in the past. Okay. Then for the generic structure, okay, we have orientation, event, and reorientation. Orientation introducing the participant, place, and time. Event describing the series of events that happened in the past, and reorientation stating personal comment of the writer to the story. Okay. Okay, about the generic structure. Okay, the first paragraph. Which one of these paragraphs are orientation, event, and reorientation? The first paragraph is
Orientation paragraf pertama.
okay, good. And then how about event?
Yang paragraf kedua.
Okay, and then reorientation, of course, it is the last paragraph, reorientation. Okay. Okay, then children, now I would like to ask you to identify the virtue of this text. Yang mana saja? Span, okay. Nah, okay, about language features. For the first one, we have introducing personal participant. Jadi dalam teks recount itu menggunakan jadi fokus pada satu tokoh ya, misalkan I atau my group. And then for the second, using simple past. For the example, last week my friend and I went to Borobudur. And then for the last one, using time connectives. It is like then, after then, when, etc. Okay, now it is we have the vocabulary builder. Okay, I would like to ask you to turn verb 2 into verb 1. Okay, coba yang span.
Span.
Okay, sorry. Okay. Then next.
Go.
Go. Then
Arrive.
Okay, then last one.
Prepare.
See. Okay, now let's try to make the sentence. Okay, for the spend.
I spent.
Good. I spent the time in Jakarta last week. Okay.
At the hospital.
Okay, the last one, I saw the sunrise in Ubud. Okay, next. Now, right, children, now let's practice for making recount text. Now I will give you 5 minutes to make your own recount text about the holiday, last holiday maybe. Okay, alright, children. Who want to be the volunteer for presenting the recount text that you have made?
Giska, Miss.
Okay, Giska. Okay, sure.
Last holiday, I cannot go to anywhere because this pandemic.
Okay, thank you, Giska. Okay, alright, children. Before I leave the class, maybe I would like to ask the one of you to make a conclusion for our material today.
Welcome, Miss.
Alright, Tilka, go ahead.
Today we learn about recount text, social function recount text, generic structure recount text, and language feature recount text.
Okay, thank you, Vilka. And then anything else? Ada lagi?
No, Miss.
Yeah. Okay. Right, children. Okay. As you know that today we have learned about recount text. What is recount text? Recount text is a text that tells about the experience of the writers. And then what is the generic structure of recount text? Recount text has the generic structure. Apa saja generic structure-nya?
Orientations.
Orientation, event, and reorientation. Okay, and then for the last one, the language feature used in recontext. For the first one, using the simple past and then focus on one participant. And then for the last one, okay, right, children. Okay, now I will ask you to answer the formative test on Google Form. For the link, I will share on the chat room. Okay, right, children. Now let's discuss about the answer. The answer of the formative test for number one. What kind of the text above? What is the answer for number one? Recount text. And then number two. What is kind of the paragraph above? Okay. Orientation. Okay, good. Number three. What? The third paragraph is called by
Reorientation.
And then number four. What is the function of the text above? To tell the writer's experience. And then the last one. What is the writer's feeling about the journey? He felt
So amazed about the trip.
He felt so amazed about the trip. Okay, alright, children. I think that's enough for our meeting today. Don't forget that in our next meeting, we are going to discuss another topic. We are not going to discuss about recontext anymore, but about something else. Okay. Before I leave the class, do you have any question?
Miss,
Okay.
I want to ask.
Yes, Kak. Alright, children, that's all we have the time for today. Thanks for your attention and your participation. Don't forget that we are still going to meet in our next meeting. So please to keep learn about recontext. I think that's enough. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good evening, Miss.
Silahkan ya kalau mau live chat.